Hello, my friend. This is Adolf speaking. So listen up so that you may get good marks in tomorrow's cut.
Okay, you take this. Okay. Okay, so we meet on Thursday. Right up to this point, because those will not be those big questions. Those will not be. Stop it. Those will not be big questions. One line question, two lines, some definition. There may be some formula. There may be some small exercise, small, you can say, reasoning type of question. Are you getting? There may be multiple choice questions. Understand? So we will give like about 10 questions. About 10. Not necessarily 10, but about 10. Okay? So 2 marks, some may be 2.5 marks, one may be 1 mark, something like that. So small questions, not big. Understand? Some definition and like that. Some formula also I can ask, for example, let us say, if f is given in terms of f, write this thing. Are you getting? So it is little bit wide. Any question? Huh? Didn't I tell up to this point whatever we discussed that will cover? Let me ask you, for example, in thermodynamics, reasoning type of questions, what you did in senior secondary or in the first year, that means you understand? Small questions. What? Small questions, some definition and so on. Otherwise, how will you prepare for the exam? So, still, that I am not telling that the next week what we are giving that you will also read. No. But at least up to that point. No problem? Because I am not going to ask you to write this thing because that will be given in the exam. So, but something you need to prepare. Understand? Reasoning type of questions, small. Understand? Some will be very simple. That person who is sleeping, that also can do. Understand? Some will be little difficult, that only very intelligent student should be able to do like that. Are you getting? So don't worry, those who want to get past, just definition, some small formulas, some small reasoning type of questions. Understand? If you want, I can do like this, that maybe 60% marks may be from, let us say 60% may be from the first part, 40% here, that I can take, but whole will be there. If you want 50-50, no problem. 60 from the thermodynamics, 40 here. Is it like that? Yes. No problem. Because if I ask some formula, let us say entropy, write entropy in terms of something. It is already there in thermodynamics. Is it not there? So, understand? So if you prepared that, no problem. Minor things here also, because some definition. I can't tell that the definition, then you person prepare, professor is telling question paper in the class. You understand? My problem, try to understand. No problem? If you are prepared, you are regular, no problem to get passed. And only see, very simple formula. In the assignment, if you get 20 marks, 10 marks here, 30. If you get 22 there, 8 marks here, is still 30. Are you getting? There you got 24, here you got 10. Okay, no problem. Or 24, 8 is still 32, no problem. Is there any problem? Only problem will come when you don't do anything. Didn't I tell? Where is Frank? Frank, didn't I tell that if class is coming regularly, there is no problem. But class is coming, you will do attendance also. Another date when you will come, then you will do attendance. Are you getting? Either you are coming on Friday. Other class, whether they are coming Friday or coming on first day, do attendance. After the exam, again come to class, attendance. That day class will be full, I know. Because if you don't come that day, then how will you do attendance? Understand? So, no problem. If you work hard, there is no problem. See, for exam, what is the problem? Tell me. Exam, is there any problem? I told you exam. What I discussed here, full derivation. Full derivation means I did derivation full, going slowly, equation by equation. So that may come anything. And don't think I don't remember. I remember. I remember that this thing I discussed fully, this thing I went thickly. So that fully which I went through, those variations, those things may come. Exercises here. Whatever you are doing can come or no? Can come. Then in that assignment, in the assignment, which questions can come? Tell me. Number 6. Why number 6? Because all are not doing number 6. So how can I bring number 6? Do you understand? Number 6 question is every person doing. So that means that type of question I can't bring. Because every person has not that. But up to question number 5, can I bring something or no? Didn't I tell? If you have done assignment, some question may come. So,
The exam.
are you getting? Eh? In the exam.
Yes.
So that you don't sleep, other person is doing your assignment. If you don't do assignment, you will lose. Not necessarily that all 5 will come. May come. May means not necessary. But those who will do, they get advantage if something is coming. Are you getting? So, is it difficult to get past? Tell me. It is not difficult. Any person who is not interested to do at all will get problem. Then you see, university will tell if some students are getting failed. Do you know what university is doing? Don't you know? Frank, you don't know what university is doing? If many students are getting failed, what they are? Do you see any student who are in last year, they are coming here? Is there any student of last year here? No one. Do you know? Why? Because this university will tell, oh, these students problem, this problem. Will make story. Will make story. And will tell that this 1 year will be problem for these students. Give some. Are you getting? Remedial, this, so that 1 year will not be lost. Some story will come. Are you getting? May come, may not come also. I don't know, because it is up to the university. If instruction will come from the head, you know how many times I prepared the exam for last year students. Do you know? I prepared at least 4 or 5 times. Head is telling now this is remedial, this is the special type. This student he was sleeping somewhere, could not come because of corona. Are you getting? Prepare for this. Another person got sick after special exam also. Prepare for this. Understand? What I thought, please take that certificate and then say goodbye. Please stop here. Work hard so that you don't get those problems. Because sometimes that chance may not come. According to the rule, if you get fail, you repeat. According to the rule, but because COVID came and every problem is put on the COVID. You don't know? If there is problem, we could not finish the target because of what? Because of COVID. Students could not get passed because of what? COVID. Okay.